Hello, my dear students. Very good morning and assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Jay Rahman, assistant teacher of maths, Milestone School and College, Sector 14, Uttara, Dhaka. At first, I would like to discuss the previous lesson, but which one is related of today's lesson? So students, already I have written some 1, 2, 3, these three figure. So just I want to discuss this one. One number A, B, C here. This side, that means this side and this side is equal. When the sides are equal, we know this one is isosceles triangle, right? You know, isosceles triangle, that means two sides are equal. So when two sides are equal, we know this base angle will be equal. So if this one is suppose 5 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter. If this one is 30 degree angle, so this one will be also 30 degree. That means this one is same. If it is 60 degree, then it will be also 60 degree. Okay. So that means when AB equal to AC, that means we can write angle ABC, okay, equal to angle ACB. This one is equal. Okay, it can be 30 degree or 60 degree or whatever, but this angle will be equal. Okay, that means when these two sides are equal, AB and AC. Okay, this one you have to know. And then two number I have drawn already, ABC. This one is also triangle, but I have here, this one is AB is smaller side than AC, right? AB is smaller side than AC. So that means AB is smaller. So which one is greater? AC is greater than AB. AC is greater. This one is greater. So students, when the side is greater, so opposite angle will be greater. This is the theorem number 3 also. Already have learned, right? So this side is greater. This side is greater. So this side opposite angle, which one? This angle. Opposite. Okay, this side is opposite angle is this one, that means angle B. So when the side is greater, that means opposite side is greater, that means this side is greater, so opposite angle will be greater. Okay, so when the AC side is greater, we can write angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. This one. Okay, this condition you have to learn. That means when the side is greater, opposite angle will be greater. When in this side is smaller, so opposite angle will be smaller, right? This side, that means AB here, AB is a smaller, so what will be? Opposite angle will be smaller. Okay, this one is also you have to learn. Okay, 3 number, I have drawn two triangle A, B, C and D, E, F. Students, why I have drawn this one? So this side, that means AB side and DE side, suppose this measurement is suppose 5 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter. Suppose this one is 8 centimeter, this one is 8 centimeter. Okay, and included angle, this one is suppose 30 degree and this one is also 30 degree. Suppose. Okay, this one is 30, this one is 30. If this one is 30 degree, students, okay, so this side and this side is equal, okay, and this side is equal, that means BC is equal to EF, AB is equal to DE, and included angle B is equal to angle A. At that time we can tell ABC triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. When these two triangles will be congruent, at that time we can tell corresponding side and corresponding angle are equal, and this one is called, this one is theorem. When this one is actually the congruent, so side angle side, this theorem is called side angle side. In short form we can tell this one is SAS, SAS theorem. Okay students, SAS theorem. So this one is called SAS theorem. Why is this SAS theorem? Because this side is this side equal, this side is this side equal, and this angle are equal. If these two triangle like this, okay, so corresponding angle of this one, corresponding angle, that means this angle and this angle will be equal. This side and this side will be equal. So if I write, so therefore we can write here, I don't know the measurement of AE, AC and DF. but when they are congruent, we can tell AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. We can write this one. Students, have you understood? That means corresponding side, corresponding angle will be equal when this triangle are congruent. And when the triangle are congruent, when this side, that means two sides and one angle, included angle, two side and included angle, when they are equal, we can tell this triangle are congruent. That means AC side is equal to D and included angle B and angle E and BC is equal to EF, then we can tell this triangle are congruent. When the triangle are congruent, we can tell so corresponding side, that means AC is equal to DF, and this angle will be equal, also angle A equal to angle D, we can write. Okay students, so today we have to actually know today's lesson is related this one, so be attentive in this class. Okay, now let's today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to prove the fundamental theorems related to triangles. Dear students, today's online class nong 30 and CQ nong 10 from exercise 9.2 and also theorem number 4. Today's lesson theorem number 4 here given the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Now already I have written theorem number 4, particular in section let BC, that means I have drawn already ABC, this one is triangle, so where BC is the greatest side, this side is the greatest. The sum of two sides, actually the sum of two sides is greater than the third side, we have to prove that one. So but in AB side and AC side, that means this between these two sides, actually this side is greater. Okay, so already I have written particular instance let BC to be the greatest side in the triangle ABC, and it is required to prove that AB plus AC is greater than the third side of BC. Okay, so now we have to construct actually. So BA is produced to D. So BA is produced to D. That means we can take and is equal to the this side actually. So if I BA produce to D, so that AC is equal to AD. Okay, now join CD. Join CD. Now students, we have to write the construction. So construction, so just write here construction. Students, I have drawn here BA produced to D. BA is produced to D, so that AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD, that means AC is equal to AD. Okay, then join, already we have joined, that means C and D. Join C and D. Okay students, now we have to write the proof. Now we have to prove this one. So already I have drawn this one. So first you will write the step and justification. So you have to write this one. So first we think this one is the AD. Just we will write first ACD. Okay, this side and this side is equal, right? This one and this side is equal. In previous review lesson already I have told when these two sides are equal, that means base angle will be what? Equal. That means this one is isosceles triangle, right? This one is isosceles triangle. So we can write here. So in triangle ADC, now write one number in triangle ADC, okay, where AD is equal to AC, AD is equal to AC, right? AD is equal to AC. So when AD is equal to AC, we can write angle. So therefore we can write angle ACD ACD is equal to angle ADC, right? And why this angle is equal? Because base angle are equal, right, in isosceles triangle. So we can write here in justification base angles of an isosceles triangle, base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, right? This one we know this one, right? So this angle is the equal, this angle are equal because ACD becomes an isosceles triangle. Okay, now we can write, so therefore also the ACD, that means ACD, you can write like this, angle ACD. Can I write instead of ADC, suppose ADC, can I write BDC? This angle is represent the same angle, that means angle D, right? So therefore we can write angle ACD is equal to angle BDC. Why? Because this angle represents this same angle, right? So angle ACD is equal to BDC, right? Have you understood, students? Now 2 number step we can write here. So in triangle, that means BCD, here BCD is greater, right, students? That means BCD, this angle is greater than this angle, because this angle is a smaller part. This angle is a part of full angle, right? So we can write here in triangle 2 number, angle BCD, BCD is greater than the ACD. Angle BCD is greater than ACD, so greater than angle ACD. Why? Because ACD is a part of BCD, right? ACD is a part of BCD. Now ACD is a part of angle BCD, right? This one is a part of angle BCD. So this angle is greater than this angle, students, right? So therefore we can write angle BCD, that means angle BCD is greater than angle ACD. So ACD, that means ACD or ADC are same, right? So can I write this one ACD instead of ACD, students? ACD, that means ACD. We can write BDC. Can I write angle BDC? Right, students? Because ACD, that means ACD and BDC are equal, because this angle are equal, so we can write this one is equal. Okay, students. So now 3 number step. So students, you know already I have told in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, so here this angle is greater, right? This angle is greater, so just write angle BCD is greater than angle BDC. Already I have told, that means when this angle are greater, if this angle are greater, so opposite side will be what? Smaller. And no, this angle is greater, so opposite side will be greater. Okay, in theorem number 3, right? So this angle is greater, so BCD is greater, so opposite side will be what? Greater. This one is theorem 3, right? So just we can write here, so BD, so therefore BD is greater than what? BD is greater than what? BC. BD is greater than BC. So now 4 number step we can write. Have you understood this one, students? Because why is it greater? We know this one is because the side opposite to greater angle is greater. Okay, students, this one is greater. So in 4 number, so students, but BD is equal to what? But we can write BD is equal to what? BD is equal to AB plus AD, right? And also AB plus AD is equal to what? AD is equal to, in first line I have written AD is equal to AC. So instead of AD we can write here AC. Okay, so therefore we can write here, so just place the value, so just here and step 1. Okay, step 1 AB, here I have written AD is equal to AC. So this one, so just so BD is a greater, so instead of BD just we have to write AB plus AC. So therefore AB plus AC greater than BC. This one is proof. Students, have you understood? That means this side first one is greater, but between these two sides AB and AC. But now in BCD, that means now when you add these two sides, that means this two side is greater than the third side, BC side. Okay, that one we have to prove this one. Okay, students, have you understood now? I hope you understood. Now we have to solve CQ number 10. Okay, my dear students, now we will solve 10 number, and here given in the triangle ABC, where ABC is greater than ACB and D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, I have given the question in the screen. So now see this one, or others everyone open your math book. Okay, exercise 9.2 and 10 number, in 10 number here given in triangle ABC, and ABC is greater than ACB and D is the midpoint on BC. So but in 10 number this question will be in 30 number ABC. Okay, this one is system and question number ABC we have to prove. So draw the figure on the basis of information. Okay, students, so first we have to take so now we have to solve in A number. So already I have taken, so just we have to draw this one. First we have to draw, suppose this one, so AB. So here given angle ABC is greater than ACB. Suppose if I take like this, I have taken this angle is greater. Okay, this angle is greater than AC. Suppose this angle is AC here. So maybe you can see, students, now just you can take here like this. Okay, so this one is A and this one is B and this one is C. Okay, student, this angle is greater than this angle, so already you have drawn, and this one is we have to take the midpoint. 10 inch I have taken, so it will be 5 inch. You have to take this one is midpoint. Okay, students, so like this. So this one is a midpoint here. So just join this one. So this is the information of A number. So like this way you have to draw the A number question. Now dear students, now we have to prove that means solution B number. So this one is particular initiation already I have written. Let ABC be a triangle in which angle B is greater than the C angle. That means angle ABC is greater than the angle ACB. Then we have to prove that AC side is greater than the AB side. Okay, students? But now we can see in the figure here AC is greater than AB. But we have to prove that how is AC is greater than AB. Okay, this one we have to prove, that means method of contradictories. Suppose we will take not AC is not greater. So if AC is not greater, so what will be? AC and AB will be equal, or AB is greater than AC, right? So like this way we have to prove. Okay, now first we have to write this one step of justification. So step number 1. So if AC is not greater than AB, so what will be? If AC is not greater, but here is greater, but if method of contradiction, so AC is not greater than AB, so what will be? If AC is not greater than, that means AB is equal to AC, one number, AB is equal to, we can tell AC. Okay, either AB is equal to AC, or two number that AB is greater, right? AB is greater than. Okay, that means AC is not greater, so obviously that means AB is greater than AC. Okay, these two method we have to write now. Okay, these two method we have to write. So now if one number, so two number steps. So if one number, that means if this one, if AB is equal to AC, when AB and AC are equal, that means base, that means two sides are equal, that means if this AB and AC are equal, that means two sides are equal, so what would be, base angle will be equal, we can write. So then we can write here angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Why? Because base angle of an isosceles triangle, base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, right? Base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. If it is, that means these two sides are equal, but given condition, is it right? But in given condition, that means AB is not, AC is greater here, right? But angle AB is greater here, right? Because here given AB is equal to ACB, but in given condition here ABC is greater than ACB, right? So we can write but given in condition, which one is given is condition, that means this one, angle ABC is greater than angle ACB, right? Given in condition that this angle is greater than this angle, that means this one is not true, so we can write here this is not true, this is not true. So now 3 number we can write. So one condition already you have tell, that means this angle, actually angle ABC is greater, and ABC and ACB are not equal. Okay, now in 3 number again 2 num, if AB is greater than AC, then what will be, students? When AB is greater, suppose this side is greater than this side. So if this side is greater, so at that time opposite angle will be greater, right? Opposite angle will be greater. So opposite angle, which one? Angle ACB, right? ACB is greater here. ACB is greater than ACB, right? So ACB is greater. So ACB is greater. So this one is greater sign, and which one? ABC. This one, because AB is greater. So when this side is greater, but this is not greater here. But if AB is greater, so opposite angle will be greater. So that one I have written. But in given condition, is it true? Right? But in given condition here, given ABC is equal to ACB, right? So but as a given condition, as a condition, it is not true also, right? It is not true also, right? It is not true also. And why is it greater, students? If AB is greater than AC, then angle ACB is greater, because we know that means this angle is greater. Why? Because this angle is, this one is isosceles triangle, because this angle is equal. But why is it greater than? Because we can write the angle opposite to smaller, the angle opposite to smaller, angle opposite to smaller side is smaller side is smaller. Okay, students, that's why. Okay, so 3 numbers. So therefore we can write here, so AB and AC actually doesn't equal, and also AB is not greater than AC, that means we can tell AC is greater. So we can write here, so therefore AB, here we have proved, that means AB is AC and AB equal to AC. If it is equal, that this angle is equal, but given condition it is not. So B angle is greater. So we can write here AB is not AC, doesn't equal AC here. Okay, in this condition AB is not doesn't equal AC and AB doesn't greater than AC. Okay, that means this one is not greater than AC. So therefore we can write here in the condition, so AC is greater than AB. Students, have you understood this one? Why is it? Because AB is not greater, doesn't equal AC, and AB is also not equal AC, because in condition here given ABC is greater than ACB, so we can write AC is greater than AB. So we can write here is proof. Okay, students, have you understood? I hope you understood, because this one is theorem same as 3 number. Solution of C number, already I have written particular enunciation. So given in triangle ABC, in the step we know that means angle ABC is greater than the ACB, and D is a midpoint. D is a midpoint on BC, and we have to prove that. That means AB plus AC, that means AB plus AC is equal to 2AD. That means the length of 2 times of AD. Okay, so that one you have to prove. So now that means we have, if you want to prove, that means we have to construct that triangle again. So now construction. So first we have to write, that means extends AD to the point E. So first write where AD is equal to D, where AD is equal to D. Okay, students, that means now we have to construct extend AD to the point E where AD is equal to D. That means this one we have to take the measure of. Okay, so this one is the measurement. Suppose we will take this one is here 5, about 5 distance. So just you can take, okay, this one. Now extend AD to the point E. This one is point E, and join EC. Join EC. Okay, join AC. Now students, now we have to write, so join AD, join E and C. Okay, join E and C. So already you have joined. Now we have to prove this one. Okay, now proof. So we have to write steps and justification. Students, so first already you have done, that means in ABD triangle and EDC, ABD and EDC, students, ABD and EDC. Now we have to prove, that means already we have this triangle are congruent or not. First we have to prove this one. Okay, so step number 1, in triangle ABD and triangle EDC, students, where BD is equal to DC. Can I write like this? BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. Can I write this one? Why is it equal? Because in triangle ABD and EDC, that means this triangle, that means D is the midpoint of BC. That's why BD is equal to DC. So we can write here D is a midpoint. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. That's why this one is equal, we can write. Okay, students, so this one is equal. So can I write like this? AD is equal to D, because the length of AD is equal to D. Already we have taken this one. Okay, according to drawing we can write here AD is equal to DE. Why is it equal? Because according to drawing we have drawn like this way. So we can write according to the drawing. to the drawing. Have you understood, students? So in triangle ABD and EDC, so these two sides are equal. Already we have proved, right? Two sides are equal. And angle, now check here, included angle here, that means this angle, angle AD, therefore angle ADB equal to EDC. Can I write like this? EDC. Why is it equal? In class 6 you have learned this one is vertically opposite angle, right? This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, right? So that's why you can write ADB, that means ADB, ADB and EDC are equal because vertically opposite angle, right? So we can write vertical angles. Vertical angles criterion. Okay, so vertical angles are equal here. So that's why when this, that means two side and angle, that means this side and included angle, this side and included angle, that means if two sides and included angle are equal, okay, between these two triangle, so we can write this triangular congruent, students. So this triangle ABD, that means ABD congruent EDC, triangle EDC. Why is it congruent? Because in review lesson I have told, that means when this side included angle and this side, but AD is equal to DE, BD is equal to DC, and this angle are equal. So we can write this triangular congruent. When the triangular congruent, what will you write? Corresponding angle and corresponding side also equal. So corresponding angle means this side is equal, this side is equal. So between these two triangles, so AB and EC also equal, we can write, because corresponding side, that one corresponding side. Okay, we need only side, that's why we will write only the above side. But if we need angle, we can write angle. But in this theorem only we need the length of side. So therefore we can write here AB is equal to AC or CE. Okay, AB is equal to AC. We can write this one. This side is equal. Have you understood, students? When the triangular congruent, that means this side is equal. Okay. Now in step number 2, we can write, that means in triangle ACE is equal ACE, that means just this one you can take a triangle. So in theorem number already we have proved, that means the theorem number 4, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So ACE if I take, so this side AC side and EC side, if we add, then this side will be greater than the third side. This one is third side, suppose. Okay, just the triangle, just take this one like this way. Okay, so what will we write now? So in triangle ACE, we can write here, in triangle ACE we can write AC plus EC greater than AE. Can write like this. Why is it? Because the sum of two sides. Okay, now we can write here, when we write this congruent, so we can write here side angle side theorem, okay, or SAS theorem. Okay, as a SAS theorem we can write this one, students. Okay, already I have told, but okay, now ABD and this one is congruent, so we can write this one, and ACE, the sum of two sides, that means the sum of the length, right, greater than the another side or greater than the third side, we can write. Okay, right, third side. Okay, so this one we can write here. So AC is equal to, that means AC is equal to, so we can also, or we can write AC plus EC is equal to what? EC is equal to, we can write AB, right? EC is equal to AB, can I write? AC is equal to, so EC is equal to, we can write here AB. And students, AE is equal to what? We can write AE is equal to AD plus DE, right? So now write AE is equal to AD plus DE. Okay, D. So students, so or we can write AB plus AC greater than AD is equal to AD. Okay, no problem. So D is equal to what? D is equal to, now check here, D is equal to, we can write AD. So just write here AD. So therefore AB plus AC greater than 2AD. Have you understood, students? And we got that means here this one is step 1 form. Okay, step 1 we got. Okay, that means AB is equal to, we have written EC is equal to AB, and this one step 1 we have written. Okay, already I have shown you. Okay, so this one is proved. Have you understood, students? I hope you understood. Okay, so that's this one is very easy. Just watch again and again, then you will understand, I think, because this one is new idea, SAS theorem. So again, in the first time I have already told, that means this one is like this way you have to write. Okay, and this one, the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. In theorem number 4 already you have proved. Okay, so like this way you have to prove. Okay, students, can you tell me now, if I ask you some question, so what will be the angles of an isosceles triangle? It will be equal or greater or less? Yes, it is equal, right? So that means the base angle of an isosceles triangle will be equal. So side angle side, that means SAS theorem means when two sides and included angle are equal, okay, of two triangles, suppose, that means this triangle are, we can tell this one is congruent, and when the triangle are congruent, we can tell corresponding angle and corresponding side are equal. Okay, students. So in a triangle, so you know the sum of three angles of a triangle, that is interior angle, is equal to what? Yes, 180 degree. Thank you very much. So thank you very much. Thank you. And today's SW number is 30 and question number 7 of exercise 9.2. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.